everybody. This is Attorney Anthony Reeves again, and I'm going to give you another little tip that can help you with your Social Security disability benefits after you win your case, and I'm going to give this to you under 120 seconds. So let's get right. For those of you who may be getting short-term or long-term disability, I need you to understand one very important fact. If you are applying for short-term disability or long-term disability and you plan on applying for Social Security, find out if there's any provisions in your contract that requires you to reimburse your long-term disability carrier or your short-term disability carrier if you receive Social Security. A lot of times what happens is that people will start receiving benefits from their disability plan while they're applying for Social Security, and then they don't realize that in some instances that if they're approved for Social Security, they may have to reimburse that money. Now, as we already talked about SSI, about how it's impacted by monies received from other sources. So, of course, you already know that if you get money from a short-term or long-term disability plan, that money is going to offset any money you get from SSI. But for disability insurance benefits, that's a big one. Most people don't realize that when you sign up for a short-term or long-term disability plan, there's usually a provision in there that requires you to provide reimbursement if you get a back pay award from Social Security. So, by all means, remember this. If you're applying for short-term disability or long-term disability, ask your carrier how that's going to affect your Social Security benefits if you get approved for Social Security. This is Anthony Reeves, and I've just given you another little tip on about what happens after you win your Social Security case, and I gave it to you under 120 seconds.